Rise and grind, the early bird catches the worm. Is having a yard sale worth it? The setting up and taking down alone make me want to say no, it is not worth it. But I'm somewhat healthy and able-bodied, so I'm gonna make a few bucks one of the few ways I know how. So hopefully one day I can sit on my balls at retirement. If you're new here, I'm trading TNT. I'm still trying to figure myself out. The goal is to make some side income and document the process and the progress. Now, all of this stuff I'm bringing out, I've sourced from multiple places. One being my main 9-to-5, which I plan on documenting more of in the future. But the gist of it is that I'm in real estate, and the trash outs associated, you won't believe the treasures I find in some of these houses. Second, which a lot of this leftover stuff is from storage unit auctions. And third is from thrifting and Facebook Marketplace finds. Now back to the big question, is yard selling worth it? Well, if you're selling wicker baskets and old mugs, probably not worth it. You have to have some inventory that'll actually sell, so I always make sure I got a little something good in there, even if it could be sold on eBay. We got some action before we even finish setting up. Hello. Would you do $2? Yeah. Okay. Oh, thank you so much. Appreciate it. First sale, let's go. Okay. Thanks. Oh, for this?
Yo no entendí eso de que 15.
Thank you so much.
¿Sí?
That's good? $129 in the first hour. That's pretty good. I didn't record the conversation, but the guy bought all my sports cards. I said I wanted 100 for all of them. He said he couldn't do it, so I asked him what his price would be. He said 40. I said 50. And he told me he would just auction them off and probably get about 70, so it really wasn't a deal for him. So I said, okay, I'll do 40, but you gotta tell me where you auctioning them off at. And he gave me a local, somewhat local auction house I can go to. So I got some knowledge out of the deal. I think it's about that time to wrap it up. Not the best. All in all, about $155 for about 4 hours. Yeah, about 4 hours. So I guess we'll start packing it up.